Kuha ni H part 2. What's up, guys? It's me, H, today. This is kind of weird. Look at this. I have this thing. Look, guys. This video call and my iPad. I'm actually their boss there. It's my girl's cousins. And here, kalokohan ni H part 2 ay tatawagan natin sila. Titingnan natin kung mag-respond ba sila. Ito kayo secret camera. I'm gonna turn around.